get your head around the fact that you can sell for a lot more. You can kind of open
Yep.
your mind that it's possible that you could be selling things for $1,000, $5,000, $10,000 in Dave's case here with his client, or $100,000. I mean, these are the types of things that are going on. So expand your mind and know that now you're getting more and more of this AI behind you to help make it happen.
Welcome back to Making Money with AI. And today we're talking about high ticket sales using AI. So I literally just got a text this morning from one of my clients, and he said, we just made a platinum sale. And what that means is that we just made a $10,000 sale of a high ticket coaching program. Not going to get into the details of the program itself, but this is one of my clients that I'm coaching, I'm helping them. And it just so happens that everything that we did for that client, you could do as well for yourself using AI. And there's all kinds of ways that you can use AI in launching a high ticket course program or a high ticket coaching program. So for example, you could use AI to literally create your course. Multiple different ways to create your course. You can use AI to outline your course. You could use AI to add elements like action guides, checklists, even now GPTs, adding those to your course. You could use AI to actually promote your course for free and drive lots and lots of traffic to your course program. Now, when I say course, I'm also talking about really any type of product that would be high ticket, right? So it could be a course, it could be a course program, it could be a coaching program. You might be a consultant. You might just offer high ticket services, period. Maybe you're an attorney, maybe you're a plastic surgeon. But the bottom line is that now you can use AI to do this and bring in $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 payments in a very short period of time because AI speeds up the entire process.
Yeah, I mean, first of all, that this could be a big mind shift for a lot of people that they can't even fathom that things are being sold for that amount, or yet they could sell something for that amount. And really, a lot of times the price point, when you start to peel back the layers, is really the value that you're providing or the perceived value that someone's going to get from buying something. Oftentimes, when you sell it for a lower price, you're going to get, in general, worse customers. You're going to have people with less money. You're going to have more headaches. The more that you tend to charge, from my experience, and Dave, I'm sure you can agree with this, the less kind of headaches you have. You sell something for $7 to someone versus someone that you sell for $5,000. The one that you sell for $7, they got questions and problems and this stinks. The $5,000 customer, most times you don't even really hear from them. So Dave has been selling high ticket courses like crazy. I've been selling high ticket courses, but he's kind of a step ahead of me in terms of the price points. But to Dave's point, absolutely, more and more we're thinking about how can we take ourselves out of certain businesses and certain things that we do. And just at a minimum saying, okay, well, having ChatGPT or having some of these AI tools structure your course at a minimum, or to write the course, or to give you what you're going to say when you're talking. I mean, AI is exploding. I was talking to someone the other day. They're using a tool that they can read from a script. So they're looking over here and reading a script, but the AI, when you play back the video, makes it look like they're looking right at you, which is crazy. I mean, that's the kind of stuff that's going on. And to
Yeah.
your point, I have a high, I don't know if I'd call it a high ticket program, but a program that's being sold for $1,000. Guess what I'm now adding to it as of today? I'm adding my personal GPT to that program so that people can ask questions about the program they just purchased, along with how I'm cultivating it to interact the way that I want to, which will lessen support. It's giving people more value because now it's not just info. It's now I don't even know what to call it. It's a new category. They're not it's not software. They're getting a GPT with it. And I think you're going to start to see that more and more with products, is that there's a GPT included, or there's a software created from the GPT. The bottom line is, get your head around the fact that you can sell for a lot more. You can kind of open your
Yep.
mind that it's possible that you could be selling things for $1,000, $5,000, $10,000 in Dave's case here with his client, or $100,000. I mean, these are the types of things that are going on. So expand your mind and know that now you're getting more and more of this AI behind you to help make it happen.
Yeah. And if you're wondering, okay, how could I possibly create a program or something that sells for $2,000, $5,000, $20,000? Like if you're going, I can't even fathom that. I can't even, picture that. I have an entire course that goes into this in detail. It shows you exactly how to create that value, right? Because In the end, what people are really buying is value. In this case, the person who paid $10,000 sees so much more value than the 10,000 they're willing to trade for it. They're seeing 50, 100, maybe they're seeing a lifetime of income, of value. So 10K does not seem like that much when you compare it to, you know what, I'm going to be making 200, 300,000 a year when I get this information and I implement it, right? So think of it that way. Like what you're doing is you're trading value for dollars. And so as long as you can create something that's 10 times the value of what you're asking for it, then you've got a winner. And so we have an entire course that goes into this. It's all about high ticket. I'm going to put a link in the description down below. We're not here to sell you the course, but I just wanted to mention it since we're talking about this topic. But also be sure to sign up for our free AI newsletter, which is going to give you all our latest videos and all kinds of new resources and in-depth training as well. And that link will be in the description down below as well. Thanks for joining us today. We'll see you next time on Making Money with AI.